McKinley is the official campus health center. With state-of-the-art technology and a wide range of services, we provide the care you need. Whether it is primary care appointments, immunizations, mental health support, or wellness coaching, we are here to keep you well to excel. For 100 years, we have remained dedicated to caring for the students of the University of Illinois. At McKinley, you are our top priority. Your healthcare starts with McKinley. Our compassionate team is here to guide you every step of the way. Although our campus and students may be changing, McKinley remains constant, ready to serve and support our students' healthcare needs. We are a source of trust, a place of healing, and a reflection of what's possible when people come together for a purpose greater than themselves. McKinley is here to keep you well to excel.